Hey yo, before this video starts, I want to thank you guys for 34K on this video. I didn't know I was gonna get that much, but you guys really supported me on this, so I'm gonna give you guys another video on how to loud mic, new settings and stuff. And I'm not a packer, bro. Like I don't loud mic pack. I just help y'all, and then y'all can edit your settings, bro. But yeah, I try giving you the best, alright? So yeah, let's get into the video. Yo, what's up, guys? Back with another video on how to loud mic, how to louder mic, cause y'all want to violate some kids, bro. You want to drown some people. You tired of people bullying you every day. You know what I'm saying? Like, gotta get back at them, bro, for shouting at you. Feel me? So I'm gonna teach y'all how to do that. These are some new settings, kind of better. I kind of been in FL more. I've been like studying like stuff. I've been making music. Like I don't pack, bro. So I just be fucking around in FL with the homies. Feel me? We make music and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna teach y'all everything, and then yeah, we'll get into it, bro. So first things first, you want to download VB audio cable. I used to use Voice Meter, bro, but like that shit just like people can't hear you. It ends up cutting out and shit. I don't know, bro. Shit's bad. So you want to get this, go over here, download this, and then once you download it, uh, extract it, and then you'll get a folder, and then you open that folder, and then you'll see this setup right here, VB cable setup 64, whatever like that. Anyways, then you want to go to your sound settings. Okay, for this one, uh, it's kind of difficult, kind of explaining. Okay, so this is someone's, like this isn't mine, but this is someone that I help. So their input is the cable input. Oh, by the way, after you run this, you have to restart your computer. Like it won't work if you don't restart your computer. So after you install this and you install the driver, just restart your computer, and then yeah, go to your sound settings, this one, and then okay, back to explaining. This is someone's input, and if I go over here to my sound settings, mine is different looking because it kind of depends, bro. So like you gotta mess around with it. Like if you put it yours like this, input VB audio virtual cable to this one, and then your mic to this one. Uh, just mess around with it, bro. Like, cause like I copied these settings that I did for the person I helped, and it didn't work for me. All right, so whatever works for you, just like switch it around. Like what I did, I put the mic up here, I put the VB down here. All right. So after you do that, you go to your Discord settings, right? And then you basically put the output in your input device here, and then your mic here. As I'm saying, if it doesn't work, then you do this. You can try this, and then default. This is your headphones, by the way. This is the input as in the mic to your FL. All right. So just mess with it. If it doesn't work, then just try it out. I switched it around. This is my microphone. This is the output. You know. And yeah. So basically, after that, oh yeah, go to your voice and video. Go scroll down and turn these off, cause like this shit will like cut out. I heard, so just turn that shit off, and then people won't be able to hear you until okay. Like look, imagine I don't open FL, I don't have this on, and I go in here. No one can hear me. You don't see that green thing turning on, so you gotta open FL, right, bro? Look, this thing pops up. So you gotta go in FL. You got I'll add a preset. This is my preset. Like it's like it makes your voice clean and like cuts out the lows and shit right here. And it like makes it clean so like people can hear you crisp or whatever. So that's what I use. Oh, wait. Let me rejoin. Yo. Yo, yo, yo. See, shit's bugging, bro. Hold on. Just gotta mess with it, feel me? Test, 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 test. Ah, bro. This shit not working on the site. Hold up. Hey, hold up, bro. Oh, I'm dumb as hell, bro. I'm dumb as hell. I'm slow. Okay, so right here. Sorry, bro. So you have all your settings. This is my default one. So you can't hear me right now. So you got make sure you do this. I'm dumb. You have to put in one, and then you'll see it glowing right here. That means your mic's on, right? But also after you do that, you have to go here. You have to go to your FL Studio, Asayo, or whatever. Click this one, and then there, set it to that buffer length, and then my mic is here, and then that's the input. I got all these other ones. But for the other person, uh, we had the cable one right here, and her mic right here. So, bro, you just gotta play with it, alright? Like, you just gotta see what works. Like, it might not work, it might like bug out, then you just switch it, bro. But end of the day, it will work. You just make sure you restart your computer after you install it. Alright, so if I go over here, I go into VC. Yeah, you can hear me now. Look, that shit crisp. If I go here, look, hello, hello, yo, yo, look, you can hear myself. And then yeah, pretty much that's it. And then this is my preset. I'm gonna tell you guys the different methods. Like, there's a bunch of shit on here, and like different ways you can like break someone's ears. So I'm gonna test different ways and show you what does what. All right. So what I like doing is I'll have the download of the presets in the description, but this one is the clear one, so the crisp like vocals, and then I like having my loud mic right here. I turn this shit all the way up. Um, if you want to have it in the left ear, you can do that. Right ear, like that. And then yeah, I'll show you guys the raise. So basically, you can turn this off. They won't hear you in VC. Look, it's not glowing anymore. So you go here, and this shit is loud, bro. So like, if y'all watching this, bro, just lower your volume, bro. Like, it really is loud, bro. Okay, so you wanna, okay, bro, it's gonna even hurt my ears. I think I wanna take off my headset. So here you go. It's in. So you'll see it glowing. What I like doing is like I like switching. So you can do that, or you can do whatever you want, bro. But make sure it's in one, and then I'll turn it on. And it's not on. This stuff's not on right now. But yeah. So my preset has Wider. Wider is a plugin you can install. It's free. All you need to do is just like sign up with your email and download it. Delay, got EQs and stuff, stereo enhancers, FX, wave shaper, blood dry, fasted. Like all that shit makes it loud. So I'll just start enabling one by one and shit like that. And to show you that this works, like you can see my thing glowing right now in Discord. So it all works, like they can hear you, bro. If you want to hear yourself, all you need to do, go to Discord and just click that and you'll hear yourself. I'll show you guys. So basically, right now, what you need to do is, okay, I'm just checking right now. All right, so here we go. Oh, I'm getting, bro, what the fuck? My internet fucking up. Hey, yo. Alright, so go over here. Go over here. Click
Click
this.
this
You can hear
and
yourself.
here.
So,
So
okay. Okay,
Is it wider?
is it wider?
I don't really
I
do
don't really
anything
do
right
anything
now.
right now.
Delay.
Delay.
Hello.
Hello.
You can add
You
it
can
so it
add
can
it
like
so it can like
echo
echo
if you
if
want.
you want.
I just
I
added
just added
just like
just like
widen.
widen.
So this
So
one
this one
make it kind of
make it kind
loud.
of loud.
Yo,
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 yo.
and then
And
this
then
one.
this one,
Ayo.
I
Okay, this
okay,
one just
this one
like
just like
breaks people's
breaks
ears.
people's ears.
Oh yeah. uh,
Uh,
but yeah,
but
that's how
yeah.
you check it. Um, I can't really hear anything, so it's probably loud as fuck. So you enable these two. These two like basically just like like all in their ears, bro. If you enable the top, it pretty much does the same. I would just show you guys how it sounds, all of it. Ah, shut your bitch ass up, bruh. Shut your bitch ass up. I know you're not talking about. Alright, so basically that's it. Yeah, and y'all can just mess with it, bro. If you want to just be loud, like normally, like semi loud, just enable these like four right here. But yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. That's how you louder mic on Discord. I mean, you could be louder. All you need to do, bro, like if people say you're not louder, just get voice mod, get an equalizer like Peacemaker or something, and then just like add that. I think you can also if um settings. Okay. Uh I think you can do this. You can add like multiple and then do in one and like just blast people, like just add a bunch and then add turn it all on. I mean, like, bro, there's different ways. Just like mess with it, bro. But that's how you do it, bro. I'm not a packer. I just mess around on Discord. I just mess around on fucking FO, bro. But y'all stay safe. Y'all do what you want, bro. That's what you need to do. My voice be hella cracky and shit, so I'm gonna go to sleep, bro. But y'all have a good one, bro. If you need help, bro, just hit me up on Discord / hashtag 99999 all nines, 4 9s. Hit me up, bro. I'm probably with your e-girl, but you know, you know how it is, bro. All right, I'll see y'all later, bro. Peace.
3 bands on me. Walking around the store off an oxy. Take a picture, I'ma post pop